Every night, they plan the perfect heist, and every night, they forget how it ends.
Jackson, the anxious genius. Boogie, the tiny troublemaker. Charlie, the bossy diva. It's a 3-dog day.
All right, Operation Midnight Snack is a go.
Mother always says no snacks after bedtime, but her won't mind.
What if the fridge is angry or Mother wakes up?
Is Mother up? I want cuddles.
Okay, first let me find me something.
I want pizza.
Guys.
Wait your turn.
Hey, what are y'all doing?
Abort, abort. Shoo, I was so close.
I think I peed again.
Think you did too.
Oh, Mother, she looks so pretty when she's happy.
It's a 3-dog day.